Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, front passenger knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, power door locks, power windows. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.